In this video, I'm going to be showing y'all a trade that I took a couple nights ago. I ranked the trade probably a B setup, or really an A setup, but I say a B entry. Could have had a better entry with the position, but I knew what I was looking at. I knew what was going to happen in the market, and I knew the probabilities of the trade going right and wrong. So yeah, y'all just study the trade, see what y'all could have did better, see what y'all, see what I did and see what you can take from the video. And if you enjoy this breakdown, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and drop a like on the video. I also took this trade already having cushion on this account. I know y'all can't see that in the video because I blurred it out, but just to give y'all some context. All right, so I'm looking at the position. Price is already retraced to a good point, and I took my first entry right here. I'm looking to scale into more positions, so I'm in 10 right now. But sometimes in the market, you don't know exactly where price is going to turn. But based on the higher time frames, I knew this was an area of value that we would get, some good buy pressure at. So me having too much size on at one time will literally make you not be able to hold the drawdown that we're in. But when you scale into your position, it makes it much smoother. I'm definitely going to be looking to add size once it gets closer to our break even. We're starting to get a little push now. So when you add size, it's easy to manage it because now you're stopped and you just take size off at the low that is created now. So now we're getting to our break even. Boom, just added 10, expecting that momentum push. We retraced a little bit. Candle closed. Now we just need to respect the lows of structure. Respect the lows. But this whole time I'm trading this, I'm thinking higher time frames. I already have my higher time frame bias. If you're just looking at the lower time frames, yeah, you're swinging it, man. Boom, now we got the break, added 10 more. Now we're managing positions. I don't see the stop loss on. It's not on, but I manage it while I'm on the trade. Like if it starts breaking structure, I'm completely out. I'll probably take off 30 lots off, 30 minis. So we're just waiting to see if we can get an impulsive move up. And when we put a lot of size onto a trade, we try to get size off quick as possible. That's my edge in the market. So now that we're coming down, it gave us another opportunity for entry. So I might add 10 more and see if that impulsive break will happen. I put that stop there just in case some crazy shit happens. Like you can never always put something there, but I would have been cut it, before it even gets to that point. So How I'm looking at this now, it's either going to stop me out by breaking too far of the lows, or it's going to give us another entry point once it gets back to our break even, because the probability of it going down, not breaking the low and shooting up to our break even makes this trade a higher probability setup. Now we're getting back to our break even. It's looking like we're going to have an opportunity to put more size on. Boom, 10 more lots. No more lots will be going on, and we're going to play this impulsive push. If it drops down, we will be out of this trade quickly. But from experiencing, look at that, experience in the market, we know, hey, this is a good setup. Now, we're not anticipating this trade to play all the way up to that take profit. I'm not playing it all the way to the take profit, because I never trust the market that much, especially with this much size on it. When we got that impulsive push up, I automatically took 20 off. I'm not holding that, even though it's a high chance that now, based on that structure, we're going to get that good entry points. But no, I took 20 off automatically, and now we're managing. So I got that 15 already ready to sell if it does some crazy stuff. I already got some size off. But we're already up for the day a good amount, so I'm not trying to just lose a bunch of the profits. Now we're getting that impulsive breakup. Move stops up. We got 20 ready to sell. Yep, impulsive move up. That 5-minute structure is looking really nice, looking like it's a high probability that it can fill that gap, but we never know. So we just try to get size off. Right here will be a great place to get size off. Looking back at it, this will be a great place to get size off. Get 20 off and allow the 3 to run. But we allowed price to run a little bit down. So just anticipated a higher push up, got a 3, got a 20 off there. Stops automatically go to, a little above break even to cover, any fees or whatnot. And now we off to the races. We allow that to play out. And that's the trade, Ended up being up around 2,600 after this trade, and then by the end of the night, was up 3,800. So that's how you manage positions, manage risk. And if we would have lost, minimal. We wouldn't have lost that much, even with a good amount of size on. Once price starts to break structure, then you need to get out of the market. We see, no lows were broken, no major lows was broken. So it was a valid trade with me having the higher time frames in mind. I'm going to be doing a lot more breakdowns like this because for me, this is just like game film. You know, basketball players watch game film. Traders got to come back and watch their game film as well. So y'all stay tuned and like, comment, subscribe. Let's get it.